for demanded, so it's worked out real well. Prior to making this product, we bought all this type product from suppliers and decided to make it ourselves, and it's meeting the specs that they wanted us to provide for them. So far, it's worked real well.
And it did provide a superior product from what they were used to having before or purchasing before, and it met the special requirements. And along with that came that the education that we were able to gain from this has helped us in the market in the manufactured sand production, and we see that it's spreading around to some of the other companies. Everybody wants to know what everybody's doing, and it has given us an upper hand to the other manufacturers of crushing equipment, so we've been very happy with that.